So, good evening, friends. Welcome to the next discussions on the Economics for Everyone series. We have been discussing various topics in this area. Last time we discussed about the various factors of production, theories of factors of production, and their rewards. Uh, so, we discussed in that context the four broad factors of productions and their rewards. So, we have discussed quite a lot of concepts and factors of productions. Now, having gone through that, we'll now discuss about the various thought process which shape the economic ideas or theories in economics. What we call as various schools of economics or schools of economic thought process. Okay. Now, when we talk about various thought process, what we mean is how economics as a domain subject evolved over ages, like since the olden times, as an organized knowledge. The thought process or thinking process of economics has always been there. Okay. But probably in the last 200 or 300 years, with the advent of classical economists, uh, as led by Adam Smith and others, it has evolved into a specialized subject, and a lot of theories, ideas evolved around it. No doubt, these theories and ideas have shaped the decision making, influenced the decision making, and shaped the future of many nations, as we can see it. Okay, so to start with, I'll talk about the general schools of economic thought process. Okay, we talk about here like economic writings date from earlier Mesopotamian, Greek, and Roman, and of course Indian subcontinent, Chinese, Persian, and Arabian civilizations. Notable writers from antiquity through to the 14th century include Aristotle, Xenophon, Chanakya, also known as Kautilya, Qin Shi Huang, Thomas Aquinas, and Ibn Khaldun. The works of Aristotle had profound influence on Aquinas, who in turn influenced the late scholastics of 14th to 17th century. Okay, that you should understand. Uh, when we talk about the various schools of thought process, you should understand that we talk about various timelines starting from the oldest. Okay, and the oldest thought process to start in organized format, even before the classical economists, was mercantilism, followed by physiocracy. Then came the organized form of classical economist. Okay, this was real. Then we had a range of economic thought process called Neoclassical, Marx, Keynesians, Monetarist economies. There are many such